Good morning, dear students. Now, Unit 3 important concepts you are going to learn: numerical differentiation and integration. Right? Now, what is numerical differentiation? ND, numerical differentiation. Suppose if a function is given to you, f of x is equal to x square, right? Now I'm asking, find f dash of x and f double dash of x and f triple dash of x. Now we can find, no? Right here, f of x is equal to x square. Now I want f dash of x. F dash of x means d by dx of f of x. Now we are going to differentiate the given function with respect to x. Now that is d by dx of f of x means x square. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Now we know f dash of x is equal to 2x. Similarly, f double dash of x is equal to what? D by dx of f dash of x. You can write, right? D by dx of what is f dash of x value? 2x, right? Now differentiation of 2x is equal to what? 2 into 1, answer 2. Similarly, f triple dash of x is equal to what? D by dx of f double dash of x. D by dx of f double dash x value is what? 2. Differentiation of a constant is 0. Similarly, the fourth derivative of x is 0. Fifth derivative of this function is 0, and so on. Right? Another example, say g of x is equal to sin x is given to you. Find g dash of x. G dash of x is equal to differentiation of sin x is cos x, right? Similarly, g double dash of x is equal to, once again you have to differentiate. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. If you want g triple dash of x, that means third time differentiation of g of x is equal to minus, as it is, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Similarly, fourth derivative of g of x is equal to plus sin x, you will get, isn't it? Now here suppose x is equal to 0, 1, 2 and f of x is equal to 2, 4, 6. Now this table is given to you. Now x values are given to you. Those are 0, 1 and 2. Corresponding function values are 2, 4 and 6. Now I am asking, find f dash of x and f double dash of x. Now how to find the derivative of f of x and f double dash of x? No, we cannot know. Now, if the function is, we know this concept. If the function is clearly given, f of x is equal to x square or g of x is equal to sin x, you may take another example, f of x is equal to e power x, or f of x is equal to x sin x, or you can take f of x is equal to x square plus e power x into sin x. So many examples you can take. If the function is clearly given, then we can find the derivatives of the function, right? Now suppose if the given data, given function is like this, what does it mean? This means tabulated values of a function is given. Here we don't know the function is not given to you, only the function values are given to you. That means at x is equal to 0, function value is 2. At x is equal to 1, function value is equal to 4. At x is equal to 2, function value is equal to 6, right? Now here the given data is tabulated values. With the help of tabulated values, we are going to find f dash of x and f double dash of x and so on. this process, this process of finding, this process of finding derivatives, the process of finding derivatives using what? Using tabulated values is called numerical differentiation. What do you mean by numerical differentiation? The process of finding the derivatives using the given set of values, or you can say tabulated values, is called numerical differentiation. Remember this definition, right? Now, what is the first formula? Now, how to find a numerical differentiation? Now, there are so many methods, numerical differentiation methods, right? These methods based on now interpolation formulas. What are interpolation formulas? Newton's forward interpolation formula, Newton's backward interpolation formula, Gauss forward, Gauss backward, Stirling's, Bessel, so many formulas are there, Lagrange's. Now based on this, using these interpolation formulas, we can find derivatives of the function. That means f dash of x we can find, f double dash of x also we can find. Now another method is methods based on finite differences, right? Another method is method based on undetermined coefficients. Now here in our syllabus, now methods based on interpolation, right? The first basic formula is f dash of x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x by h. You have to remember this formula, right? F dash of x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Now, based on this one, two formulas are there. Now, first one is f dash of x naught is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x naught by h, right? See, this is the difference formula. This is also called forward difference formula. Right? Now f dash of x naught is equal to f of x naught plus h minus f of x naught by h. Right? This formula is going to use if h greater than 0 on term. This is the restriction. Another formula is also there. F dash of x naught is equal to f of x naught minus f of x naught minus h by h. Right? This is another formula we are going to use if h less than 0. Right? Don't confuse about these two, h greater than 0, h is less than 0. I am going to explain, right, when you are going to use this formula and this formula, right? Now, f dash of x naught is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x naught by h. Another formula is f dash of x naught is equal to f of x naught minus f of x naught minus h by h. These are the basic important formulas. Right? Now, we will see problems based on this one. The first question in our material, what is that first question? Please go through the question. Use the difference formula to approximate the derivative of f of x is equal to ln x at x is equal to 1.8 using h is equal to 0.1, h is equal to 0.05 and h is equal to 0.01. Right? That is the problem. Now, here first of all, what is the given data? Given that f of x is equal to ln x. Here the function is clearly given to you. Remember, Here the function is clearly given, right? Now here x naught is equal to 1.8 and cases are given. H is equal to 0.1, H is equal to 0.05 and H is equal to 0.01. Find the derivatives of the function at x is equal to 1.8, or you can say x naught is equal to 1.8. Now see, here the function is clearly given. Now see, what is that formula? First case we are going to discuss case 1. Here if you take h is equal to 0.1. Now we know the formula. F dash of x naught is equal to f of x naught plus h minus f of x naught by h. Right? Implies, now f dash of x naught means 1.8 is equal to f of x naught is 1.8, h is equal to in our case 0.1 minus f of 1.8 by h is 0.1. Right? Simply we are substituting those values here. Implies f dash of 1.8 is equal to, if you simplify this one you will get f of 1.9, f of 1.8 here by 0.1. Now what is f of x here? F of x is clearly given. Here the tabulated values are not given to you. Right? Now here I want f of 1.9. We know f of x is equal to ln x. Therefore f of 1.9 ln of 1.9 minus f of 1.8 means ln of 1.8 by 0.1. Is that clear? Now here what is ln of 1.9? ln stands for log. Right? This is log to the base e, it not to the base 10. Right? While calculating using your scientific calculator, use ln only. Right? ఇప్పుడు క్లియర్లీ గివెన్ టు ద బేస్ 10 అంటే బేస్ 10 చేద్దాం, లేదంటే ln to the base e. Now here I am going to find ln 1.9 value, that is equal to 0.64185389 minus log ln 1.8 value is 0.5877867 by 0.1. Now if you simplify this one, we are getting f dash of 1.8 is equal to 0.546722. This is your answer. Right? Now we'll go discuss the second to case 2. Another h is given now. Case 2. Here h is equal to what? 0.05. When h is equal to this one, this much, find f dash of something. F dash of x naught formula is equal to f of x naught plus h minus f of x naught by h. Now again simplify this one. F dash of x naught means 1.8 is equal to f of 1.8 plus 0.05. Here h is 0.05 minus f of 1.8 by h value is 0.05. Now f dash of 1.8 is equal to, if you simplify this one, what you will get? 1.85 minus 1.8 by 0.05. Now simplify this one. What is f of 1.85? Here f of x is clearly given, that is ln x. This is nothing but ln of 1.85 minus ln of 1.8 by 0.05. Now by using scientific calculator, if you simplify this one, 1.8 value is equal to 0.5479795 will get. Now by using ln of 1.8 you will calculate that minus the value minus ln of 1.8 value by 0.05. Simplify this one, you will get this much of this much value, right? Now third one, try to find h is equal to 0.01. If h is equal to 0.01, find f dash of 1.8. This is homework for you, right? Very simple problem. The case one is h is equal to 0.1 and case 2 is 0.05. Case 3 is h is equal to 0.01. This is your homework problem. Practice this one, right? Now second problem we are going to find. Now when the tabulated values are given to you, right? Now I am writing the formula using the forward difference formula or backward difference formula, right? Find the missing terms or derivatives అని అడుగుతాడు. Find the missing terms or derivatives using the following table. Remember, now here x values are going to f of x and f dash x values. Now here the x values are 1.0. When x is equal to 1.0, function value is 1. When x is equal to 1.2, function value is 1.262. And when x is equal to 1.4, the function value is 1.659, right? Now here one table is given to you, right? You have to find the missing terms, right? Once again I'll read the problem. What is that? Using the forward difference formula or backward difference formula, find the missing terms in the table or find the derivatives from the following table. Here table is given. Previously, in previous problem, function is clearly given to you. 99% you will get this type of problems, right? Now one table is given to you. We are going to find the derivatives of a function at the given values. Now here the function is not known to us, right? Now this process of finding the derivatives using the given tabulated values or the given set of values is called the numerical differentiation. Now see, we are writing this one. You are going to solve this problem. Please concentrate. Solution. First of all, I am writing the given data. Given that x, f of x, f dash of x. Now at x is equal to 1.0, the function value is 1.0 only. When x is equal to 1.2, the function value is 1.262. When x is equal to 1.4, the function value is 1.659, right? This is the given data. This is not given to us now, right? Now here we have to use forward difference formula or we have to use backward difference formula, right? Now we know the formula. Here first of all we are going to find h. What is h? The h value is the difference between any two consecutive values of x. Now this is 1.2 minus 1.0, that is 0.2, or you can subtract this from this one. 1.4 minus 1.2, that is 0.2 only. H is nothing but the difference between any two consecutive values of x, right? That is same, because here the x values, or you can say nodes, or you can say arguments, here all these x values are equally spaced, remember, right? In numerical differentiation 99% you will get equally spaced values, equally spaced, and equally the x given argument must be equally spaced. That means the difference between any two consecutive values of x is same, or you can say identical. Now coming to this one, we have to find f dash of x naught. No, f of x naught plus h, f of x minus f of x naught by h, right? This is important formula, very very important. Now please go to the problem once again. We have to find f dash of x, and this value we are going to find. Assume that in general this is x naught, no, this is x1, this is x2, right? In general ORR, this is denoted by x naught, the next value is x naught plus h, this is x naught plus 2h, right? X naught, x1, x2, or these are the standard notations, right? Now we have to find this one missing term, f dash of x naught, right? First we will concentrate on this one. Assume that here x naught is equal to 1.0, right? I want f dash of x naught is equal to, once again I am writing f dash of x naught, f of x naught plus h minus f of x naught by h. Now substitute those values. F dash of x naught means 1.0, f of 1.0 plus 0.2, because h is 0.2, minus f of x naught means 1.0 by h. H means what? 0.2 only. Now simplify this one. F dash of 1.0 is equal to f of here 1.2, f of 1.0 by 0.1. Again f dash of 1.0 is equal to, you know the value, f of 1.2 value is clearly given from the table. This is 1.262 minus f of 1.0 value is also given, right? That is 1 or 1.0 by 0.1. If you simplify this one, 0.262 by 0.1 you will get, right? Now if you simplify this one, what you will get here? See, h value is actually 0.2, no, I wrote 0.1 actually, it's a mistake. 0.2, 0.2, please be careful, 0.2. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Now simplify this one, you are going to get, now 0 point here 3 decimals, no, right? 1.31 you will get. Now f dash of x naught is equal to f dash of 1.0 is equal to 1.31. Remember this one. Here h is equal to 0.2. Now see, here again I am writing clearly the table, I am writing here. X, f of x, f dash of x. Just for our understanding, we are writing, I am writing here 1.0, 1.2, 1.4. This is 1.0, 1.262. This is 1.659. Now here, now just now we got this result. No, at x is equal to 1.0, we got f dash of x. F dash of x value is 1.31. Next, what you have to find out? Missing term. Missing term means this one at this plan, right? Now at x is equal to 1.2, find f dash of x. Now treat this one as x naught, the second value as x naught, right? Now here concentrate. Once again I am writing over here. Now here x naught is equal to 1.2, h is equal to 0.2, right? Now here again I am writing f dash of x naught formula, f of x naught plus h minus f of x naught by h. Now clearly I am writing here x naught I am taking as 1.2, right? Here we want to, if you want to find missing term, that missing term is f dash of x. F dash of x, f dash of x we have to find out at x is equal to 1.2. Now treat this value as x naught. Now here f dash of x naught means 1.2 here is equal to f of 1.2 plus h means 0.2 minus f of x naught means 1.2 by h means 0.2 clearly implies f dash of 1.2 is equal to f of, simplify this one, 1.4, f of 1.2 by 0.2 implies f dash of 1.2 is equal to, we know f of 1.4 for value from the given table, clearly given that at x is equal to 1.4, the function value is 1.659. Simply I am substituting that value 1.659 minus f of 1.2. At x is equal to 1.2, the function value is 1.262 by h value is 0.2 implies, now f dash of 1.2 is equal to, now you have to subtract this one. Now here 9 minus 2 is 7, right? Next, this is 15 minus 6, 9, 0, 0.097 by 0.2. Now if you simplify this one, that means here if you cancel 2 4s are 8, how much you are getting? This is 1.262 only, no? Yes. The next one 1.659. Yes. This is 7, 15. Oh, I forgot to write. This is 6. Now here 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3 you will get. See here 3. Right? If you subtract this minus this one, you will get 0.397. Now 2 ones are 2, right? 18, 2 nines are 18. Next 2 eights are 16, right? If you simplify this one, you will get 1.985. Therefore f dash of 1.2 is equal to 1.985, right? Now I am writing this value here. Now clearly we wrote, no? X value, f of x value wrote. Now at x is equal to 1.2, what is the f dash of x value? Just now we got 1.985. The next one, third one, that is x naught is equal to 1.4 and h is equal to 0.2. Right. Now here at x is equal to 1.4, we have to find the function value, right? This one we got. Now this one we are going to find. At x is equal to 1.4, we are going to find f dash of 1.4, right? Now, see. Now again, f dash of x naught is equal to f of x naught plus h minus f of x naught by h. This is our standard formula, no? Right? Now, ఇందాక నేను చెప్పినట్టు ఏమన్నాను, ఇఫ్ హెచ్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ జీరో, హెచ్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ జీరో, యూ యూజ్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా ఆర్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా, రైట్? ఇది మనం సింబాలిక్గా చెప్తుంటాం యాక్చువల్లీ, రైట్? నెగిటివ్ వాల్యూ ఆర్ పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూ, రైట్? రిమెంబర్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ ఈజ్ when you are going to find f dash of x, when you are going to find f dash of x, if the x value is what here? 1.4. If the x value lies at the end of the table, this value is at the end of the table, no? If the x value lies at the end of the table, use second formula we have to use. Remember, important point is, very very important point is, if x value lies at the end of the table, at the last of the table, we have to use second formula. Sir, what will happen if you use this one? If I use this formula, what will happen? Let us see. Right? See, this is not going to work. Not going to work. Right. Suppose if I use this formula, f dash of 1.4 is equal to f of 1.4 plus h value is 1.2 minus f of 1.4 by 0.2. Simplify it. F of 1.6 minus f of 1.4 by 0.2, right? Now here f of 1.6 value is not given, right? See the table here, only 1.0, 1.2, 1.4 is given. Now f of 1.6 is not given, right? We will not get this value. Moreover, here in our problem, the function is not clearly given. Problem like a function ichada? No. Right? Function is not known to us. Right? Therefore, we have to use, by force we have to use second formula. What is the second formula? F dash of x naught is equal to f of x naught minus f of x naught minus h by h. Now f dash of 1.4 is equal to f of 1.4 minus f of 1.4 minus h value 0.2 by h value is 0.2, right? Now here f dash of 1.4 is equal to f of 1.4 value is, the function value is given in the table, that is 1.659 minus, if you simplify this one, what you get? F of 1.2, no? If you simplify this one, f of 1.2, that value already clearly given. What is that? 1.262 by h value is 0.2. F dash of 1.4 is equal to, now subtract this one, 9 minus 2, that is 7. Again this is 15 minus 6, 9. Here we will get 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 0.397 by 0.2. Again you will get 1.985. Therefore, f dash of 1.4 is equal to 1.985. Right? Now here I am going to write this one. Here at x is equal to 1.4, the derivative of x value is 1.985, right? See, this is the way we are going to use forward difference formula and backward difference formula.